All right, so today we're going to cover Module 9, and that's going to be algorithms and algorithm developments. Now, we hear a lot about the algorithm in the news, the evil Facebook algorithm devised by Mark Zuckerberg to control our eyeballs and make money from us. There is an algorithm at play there, but an algorithm isn't necessarily something that's inherently bad, nor is it something we should be concerned about. An algorithm is just a formula for figuring something out. In the case of something like Facebook, the algorithm is trying to figure out how to get us to keep scrolling. In YouTube, there's an algorithm at play that says, oh, you watch this video? You probably are going to like these videos too. And that algorithm probably takes into account things like keywords in the video titles or the descriptions of the videos. It takes into account maybe that somebody else who watched video A also watched video B. So when I watch a video A, it makes it more likely to suggest that maybe I would want to watch video B, even if those things aren't inherently related. If you go shopping on Amazon at all, I know I do, then when you go to the Amazon homepage in a browser where you've already been logged into the Amazon site, or maybe it just has been used to view something on Amazon before, what you know is that Amazon is like, hey, here's some things you might want to buy. Well, that's not random, obviously, because it has things that you've looked at or things that you're interested in. And maybe sometime you've done something like seen a video on Instagram, let's say, and you've sat and actually watched it because it was an interesting looking product or something like that. And then you go to Google and you search for something and up pops an ad for that same product. It feels a little creepy, but it's just an algorithm that says if they like it over here, maybe they're going to like it over here too. And it's the sophistication of the algorithm and maybe what the algorithm is trying to force us to do, which is stare at our screen for a really long time or buy something that we don't need, that makes it feel so weird. But developing algorithms, and especially algorithmic thinking, is an important part of computer science. So today, we're going to talk through algorithmic thinking. I'm going to show you, we're going to take a brief detour where I'm going to demonstrate the use of the PyCharm debugger, which is a really nice feature that PyCharm has that you can use to help you figure out what's going on if your programs aren't working the way that you're expecting them to. And then finally, we will wrap up with an application of algorithmic thinking to assignment 8, which should hopefully help you in terms of untangling that assignment. So